Most YouTube channels don't fail because of bad content. They fail because of one mistake nobody talks about. And I was doing it too for years. And today, I'll share everything I did to rise again on YouTube. Most small YouTube channels never reach 100 subscribers or totally fail on YouTube. Not because they're bad, but because they confuse YouTube. When I started, I thought more videos meant more growth. Different topics, different formats, different ideas. That felt productive, but it was actually slowing everything down. YouTube doesn't push channels, it pushes patterns. If every video sends a different signal, the algorithm doesn't know who to recommend you to. One video about YouTube tips, one about money, one random idea. No clear audience. That's why many channels stay stuck under 100 subscribers for months or die forever. What works instead is very simple but uncomfortable. Pick one clear topic, repeat it, and slightly improve every upload. That's what I'm doing right now. Same length, same niche, same goal. If you're starting from zero like me, stay consistent long enough for YouTube to understand you. Give yourself 30 days plan or even more so as YouTube can trust your channel again. If this helped, stick around, subscribe, and comment down below how long you have been on YouTube and what you have learned so far. We're building this together.